Okay, this is things that I have for my bug out bag. I'm going to go through it a little bit. Let's see. In the front part I got some simple tools. Let's see. This right here is just a Allen wrench. This is a bottle opener. This is a flint lighter. This right here is a multi-tool. It has a whole bunch of screwdrivers, knives, scissors, files, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. It's kind of hard to open with one hand, but you get the gist of it. Then I have small little pliers. A side bag. We have a couple of light sticks. See what else? Small bandages. Here we have a small little flashlight. It has a little beam on it, and it also is a LED flashlight. And here, let's see, and on this side, a Ziploc bag. I put a little solar charger or a cell phone. This is a small little cellular cell phone charger. Just plugs into multiple devices. That's the charge. Let's see. That's it in those pockets. Let's see what else is in here. This is a bag inside of a bag. Open this up and see what's in it. Here I have all kind of toiletries, I guess you could say. Chapstick, aspirin, toothpaste, toothbrushes, nail clippers, got a lighter, dental floss, deodorant. Here is a little small thermal blanket. Emergency blanket. This right here is a package of lighters. You never know when you need to light a fire, so just in case. Small little package. This right here is it's a paracord. I tried to get it into a bracelet, but never could figure out how. So it's still in cord mode. Right here is some mini tripwire. What you do is you put this around your base camp, and if anything crosses the wires, it makes a little popping sound to alert you that something's come across your little wires. We got some more light sticks. Got a small sewing kit. This right here is a small cooking stove lantern burner slash whatever it is. This right here is an AM/FM radio, flashlight, emergency light, wind up. You just wind this up a couple of times and it runs the lights and the radio. It also has a weather alert, stuff like that. This also too is another wind up. It's not a wind up, it's actually a crank flashlight. You just crank it a few times, and you got a flashlight. Okay, just crank it and gives you a flashlight. Also, in this one, you got the gutting knife for fishing. When you fish, there's a regular pocket knife. This right here is a multi-tool. It's multiple things. It's got a saw, it's got a screwdriver, bottle opener, a knife edge, ruler, can opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly screw wrench, a saw blade, directional, auxiliary indication, 2-position wrench, and a lanyard hole, keychain hole. So that's a multi-tool. And then in the other pocket, another can opener. This right here is a whistle with a compass. This right here is a wire saw blade. You can actually cut down little branches with that. And there's another compass with a emergency mirror inside of it. Compass with a mirror. You can actually flash somebody to let them know you're here. Alright, and going back into the bag, we have this little mini folding shovel. The Gladstone flag. Here is a little emergency medical kit. Let's see. This up. And you can see it has all kind of stuff that you can use in case of a medical emergency. You can never go without your knives. So here is a knife with a saw blade on the edge. Here is a hatchet. It's got a cover on it. So do a little hatching and hammering with this. Also, a mini saw. Picked this up at Harbor Freights. I think this was only a couple of dollars, so I thought it was pretty small. It also let you do some cutting. And here's another knife. It's got its own sharpening blade stone in there. Kind of pretty neat. This knife, pretty cool. Looks kind of military-ish. And then I got the mini maul, hammering stakes in the ground in case you need to build a tent or some kind of shelter. And here is my little mini gun cleaning kit. It's a trowel kit for cleaning your gun. Mini trowel kit. Picked that up at, I believe that was Academy. That does it for the bug out bag as of right now. No food in it yet, but we'll soon be getting that. And over here I have my AR-15, but attached to it I have the mini bow. It's an 80-pound crossbow pistol. It's pretty accurate. I think it does about 150 feet per second, I believe, and it's 80-pound thrust. Pretty cool. Here's some of the arrows that come out with it. These are the arrows that go with it. It was pretty cheap. I got it at CK Cadell's, or CH Cadell's. I think it was like $19.99 for the bow, and then I think it was $9 for the arrows. But it's pretty accurate. Did it out in the backyard. So, and let's see. Here is my AR-15. Get this unwrapped. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's kind of difficult. Let's see. There it is. Get a better view of this. There's my little baby. My AR-15. It's got a finger trigger light on it. Let's see if I can get this in some light. Let's see. Got the finger trigger light on it. See, right there. And it's got a scope, red dot scope. And got a couple of 30-round mags go in it. This one right here was the factory mag, and these two other mags that I bought for it at a gun show here in New Orleans. And then my 9mm is in my truck, which I can't show you right now. But that's pretty much it. The only thing I need to do now is to get my food back up. Alright, that's it. Thanks.